Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching this out there on the World Wide Web. This is Jeremy Geelan for SYS-CON TV here at 12th Cloud Expo, New York. Happy to have Tripp O'Hara with me next from XO Communications. XO stands for what, Tripp?
XO stands for XO Communications. It came from a merger a long time ago between NextLink and Concentric.
Well, hang on. No, that's the answer.
NextLink,
Yeah, right.
the O for Concentric.
Oh, okay, the O from Concentric. Okay, I shouldn't have asked you. And what is it you guys are doing so energetically?
So from XO Communications perspective, we are a carrier, tier 1 carrier in the U.S. For over the last year and a half, we've been launching infrastructure as a service platforms. Today, we're announcing our enterprise cloud platform, and it's very a network-centric cloud offering. If you can imagine, we have thousands and thousands of MPLS customers today, private connectivity. For them to have the ability to plug these cloud clusters over their private WAN and be able to give them that additional layer of security and also the SLAs around latency, since they're not traversing over the public internet. And so that's what we're here to talk about today. And we really have heard from our customers over the past year and a half as selling our public cloud. They're saying we need that private connectivity, right? That's what we need. So that's what we've come today.
That is a meme, isn't it, that we're hearing around the industry. You're just reflecting that, but in your own splendid way, no doubt. So how has that process been internally? What do you have to change your end to be able to enable that for your customers?
From our end, it's pretty seamless, right? With this new platform, we've taken into consideration the network design to be able to tie into our existing MPLS routers and switches. And so from a customer perspective, the onboarding is it's network interface, and then it's just giving them access to the vCloud director, right? But we do the network configuration in the back end. They still have the controls that they would from a VLAN perspective, but it's locked down.
Now, here's a question. You know, you're there, so you can answer this. At a booth, how are you stealing customers from the opposition, Tripp, or is this evangelizing around the whole issue for existing customers? How does it work?
I mean, I think it's, when you have a market that's growing as fast as this, I don't think you need to steal anybody's customers, right? I think you need to make sure that you design and implement a solution that meets their concerns, and that's what we felt like we've done. Security, latency.
It's the better mousetrap.
It's the better mousetrap. We are a big partner with VMware. We're leveraging VMware's vCloud director, so if that enterprise has that expertise in the house, it's a natural fit for them to be able to burst into our infrastructure over that private connectivity.
And how big, let's, not reassure people, but tell me, because of my ignorance, how big is XO? Pretty large.
XO's a $1.5 billion company, probably about 2,800 employees. So we're focused in North America.
So our data is safe with you?
Yes, it's safe. A lot of big companies have their data with us.
And I mean, no particular vertical, presumably it's a horizontal business.
We're really focused on that mid-market enterprise. That's where XO's done very well, competing in the typical telecommunications space. So that's where we'll focus on the enterprise space.
All right, imagine I'm not here then. I didn't get to New York. I'm seeing you out there on the World Wide Web. How do I find you, and what should I look for when I get there?
So you can go to XO.com and look underneath the cloud solutions. We have a full line of product line from cloud backup to disaster recovery to infrastructure service. A lot of good documentation out there. There's a link and chat that you can get more information and reach out to us. Love to help you solve your problems.
Very simple. Of course, you know why they chose XO, one of the few two-letter domain names in the world, XO.com. That's why you had to choose that O. Yeah, even I know that. No, I figured it out. The pennies dropped. Thanks so much, Tripp O'Hara, for sharing that with us here at Cloud Expo New York, and thank you for following along out there on the World Wide Web.